Prayer, Almighty God, who in the prudential goodness of operative leaders and parliament.
The timing of this strike is a worrying timing, especially with the outbreak of Ebola, and not only Ebola, with all the other sicknesses. So we will ask the Minister of Health to come and update this House on how far, the Minister is here, how far you've gone with the issue of the strike.
Right, Honorable Speaker. They were paid.
And before we forget, we also want our statutory instrument on Ebola.
Will you explain to this House, Honorable Minister, how many lives were lost out of that negligence? And who should we really demand to account?
The information I want to give is that the strike is on, the interns have never been met, the interns have not been paid, and therefore the minister is lying.
Since there is a real big situation around payment of salaries and allowances for civil servants. The Minister of Health is telling us that there were insufficient releases, when actually Honorable Musasizo was here telling us broad day that releases were 100%.
The pharmacists, the intern pharmacists are supposed to get 2.5 million. They are only getting 2 million, as she has stated. Why has the minister defied the directive of the president of this country, General Lieutenant Yoweri Kaguta Museveni? Can't she please?
Order.
Information.
Order. Comprehensive statement in this House tomorrow, which we will debate. We also want evidence of payment that should be laid on table, and we want evidence that finance did not release all the money. So we need all that tomorrow, and come ready for a debate on the issue of medics.